Hi, Daniel. I'm back doing some social studies, okay? So this video is going to be based on products and natural resources in the Southwest region, okay? So I'm reading from this packet. All right, so before I begin reading, I am going to go ahead through the questions so we know what to look for. So the first three questions are true and false before you start reading. Number one reads, beef from cattle raised in the Southwest region is sold to Japan and other countries. Put T for true or F for false. Number two, gold is the most important mineral resource found in the Southwest region. Put a T for true or an F for false. Okay, number three. The Southwest region contains more oil wells than any other region. Put a T for true or an F for false. Okay, I'm going to go on to page 9 and read the three questions that we are looking for to answer in complete sentences. Number 1, what valuable minerals are found in the Southwest region? Okay, so we're looking for valuable minerals. So that's more than one that are found in the Southwest region. Number 2, what is a refinery? Number 3, list at least 3 things that Colorado River is used for. Now it says at least 3, so there's probably going to be more. So you can choose which 3 you would like to write. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to start on page 4, so just make sure that you have your packet and your highlighter. I will hold up mine just for show. Today I'm going to use my green one. Okay, let's get started. Products and natural resources. Deserts are full of valuable minerals. Gold, iron, and copper are found in the Colorado River Basin. New Mexico is known for its silver mines. Arizona produces about 2/3 of the copper mined in the United States. People have been digging in Arizona for precious metals for a long time. Native Americans used gold, silver, and copper for tools and weapons, as well as for jewelry and paint for pottery. Copper ore is still mined in the state for many different uses. Copper is used mostly in wire or coins, such as a penny. Okay, so before we go on, I want you to take out that highlighter, okay? We are going to highlight that first line. So let me pull that up so you can see it. Okay, so in the very first line of the first paragraph, it says, deserts are full of valuable minerals. Gold, iron, and copper are found in the Colorado Basin. So go ahead and highlight that first sentence of the first paragraph. And keep in mind that this is a video. So if you need to pause or rewind, you can do that at any time, okay? All right, I'm going to keep going. Next paragraph. The Southwest region is also rich in the fuels that supply energy. Uranium, coal, natural gas, and oil are all found in the Southwest region. The most important natural resource in the Southwest region is oil. Okay, so that is pretty important. I know not all of it is a question, but it is important. So we're going to go ahead and starting with the second sentence of the second paragraph, uranium, coal, natural gas, and oil are all found in the Southwest region. Okay, go ahead and highlight that first. Then I want you to keep highlighting to where you will see that the most important natural resource in the Southwest region is oil. Okay, which if you remember correctly, I believe they asked us if that was a question. Okay. All right, so I'm going to keep going, starting with right after where we stopped highlighting. Oil is so valuable that it has been nicknamed black gold. The oil that bubbles up from the ground is called crude oil, and it is not very useful. A refinery is a kind of factory that separates crude oil into parts like gasoline and heating oil. Okay, so one of the questions is asking us, what is refinery? So let's go ahead and highlight that. So starting at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sentence down, starting with the last word, it says a refinery is a kind of factory that separates crude oil into parts like gasoline and heating oil. Okay, so go ahead and highlight that. Give you a minute to do so. All right, continuing on. Some parts of the crude oil are used to produce goods like plastic, crayons, and medicines. A refinery runs 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, and requires a large number of employees to run it. A refinery can occupy as much land as several hundred football fields. Workers often ride bicycles to move from place to place inside the complex. Okay, next paragraph. One of the biggest problems of the Southwest region is limited water supply. Aqueducts are used in the Southwest to move water from lakes and rivers to farms and cities. Aqueducts are large pipes or canals that move water over a long distance. The people of the Southwest rely on the Colorado River for many things. The Colorado River provides drinking water for 25 million people. It supplies water for more than 3 million acres of farmland. Water rushing through machines called turbines cause huge machines to spin. These spinning turbines produce much of the electricity used in the Southwest. Okay, so we just learned many reasons as to what the Colorado River supplies. So, or provides. So starting with the Colorado River, go ahead and highlight all of it, just because I'm going to let you kind of seep through the 3 things that you can put down. The drinking water, water for the farmland, the water for the turbines, and how we produce the energy. Okay, so go ahead and highlight all the way starting from the Colorado River to the Southwest, the last word in that paragraph. Okay, and I'm going to keep going. There are many cattle and sheep ranches in the Southwest region. The Southwest region leads all other states in the raising of beef cattle as well as sheep. The cattle provide beef to all parts of the United States. Some beef is sold to the other nations like Japan. And I believe one of our questions. Beef from cattle raised in the Southwest region is sold to Japan and other countries. So we can go ahead and highlight that last sentence. Some beef is sold to other nations like Japan. So that's that very last sentence, okay? So that is the end of the reading for this section. I'm going to go back and just reread the questions one more time so you have them. Okay, so I'm going to skip down to the questions. Okay, so now that we've read it, in this next box, you're going to put T for true, F for false. Beef from cattle raised in the Southwest region is sold to Japan and other countries. True or false? Gold is the most important mineral resource found in the Southwest region. The Southwest region contains more oil wells than any other region. True or false? Okay. What valuable minerals are found in the Southwest region? You'll have 3 there. Number 2, what is a refinery? Number 3, list at least 3 things the Colorado River is used for. Okay. Remember, you can go ahead and stop and rewind if you need to. All right,